Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change text color in Zangi. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Zangi app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you're gonna see options like chats, calls, contacts, and settings. Tap on settings. Now from there, go ahead and scroll down and select chats. Now on the chats, you're gonna see options like background, use custom color, and there you can go ahead and change the color as you like, or go ahead and select dark mode and you can change the color again. And guys, that's it. That's how you change text color in Zangi. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.